in Japan with. Muda. We yum food still. Basketball. Today I ran over my GoPro. Crazy story. I have it on video too. Pigeons over here aren't scared. This is one of the coolest playgrounds I have ever seen. It just goes up. Crazy. No entry.
On our way
to Daikoku. About to see what's popping. So we're almost there after these directions is telling us the wrong way. We need to keep going straight. We're almost there though. Finally made it to the Daikoku, man. Hardest shit to get to ever in the world. I don't know where you're gonna park. You have to just drive through these lanes and park. Finally made it to Daikoku. Wow, this is a crazy experience. I'm not gonna lie. The fact that I'm actually standing on the soil of Daikoku for the first time ever in my life is crazy. Oh, look at that manhole. Guess what car this is, if you know. Guess what car this is. Porsche. The orange. That got my attention. And they're like, well, now I want to know. That right there made me like Lambos even more. So. Grandma's in the car?